Next example, third one, L is equal to set of strings of zeros and ones contains a substring 0, 1, 1. Here what is the condition given? The string should contain a substring 0, 1, 1, that is at least once 0, 1, 1 should be present in the string. Therefore, we can write the set of strings L is equal to 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1 and so on, etc. Okay, these are the set of strings. What is the minimum string length? 3, because here 0, 1, 1 is the minimum length string, therefore length is equal to 3. Number of states n is equal to 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. Okay, so for finding this length we have taken the string 0, 1, 1. Now we are having 4 states, therefore we need to draw 4 states. So first is our initial state, last one is our final state. We can number it Q0, Q1, Q2, Q3 and make the transition. What is the string? 0, 1, 1, therefore 0, 1, 1. Okay. Now we need to check for the remaining transitions for the remaining input symbol. So if we take Q0, so we are having the transition for the input symbol 0. Therefore for 1 we need to check. Before 0, 1, 1 you can have any set of states, but this is 0 means you need to consider for 1. So before this 0 you can have any number of 1s. Therefore you can use self loop for Q0. So you need to check this symbol. Since this symbol is 0, you need to check for 1. Suppose if this symbol is 1 means you need to check for 0. Like this you need to check. Okay. Now we are moving to the state Q1. In Q1, for which input we are having the transition? 1. So 0, 1, 1. So for this one we are having the transition. So in between zeros, since this is 1, we need to check for any number of zeros. So our machine is in the state Q1. For 0, whether it needs to change its state or it can remain in the same state, because 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, all these strings contains the substring, right? Therefore the machine can be in the same state Q1 and we can use the self loop 0. Now from Q1 there are 2 transitions occur. Okay, next we need to move to the state Q2. 0, 1, 1 is our substring. Now in Q2 there is a transition for the input symbol 1. For which input symbol there is no transition? 0. Therefore if 0 occurs between these two ones means what happens? The string becomes 0, 1, 0, 1. If again 0 comes means after the 0 we need to have double 1. So from Q2 for 0 we need to make the transition. So for which state it can move for the input symbol 0. From that state it again needs to read the 2 input symbol 1. Among these states, from which state we can read 2 ones? From Q1 we can read 2 ones. Therefore from Q2, if we move to the state Q1, then we can read 2 ones after reading 0. See, for you take the example 0, 1, 0, 1, 1. For first 0, it changes the state to Q1. And for first one, it changes the state to Q2. And in the state Q2, it reads the input symbol 0. If it goes to Q0 means again it must reach Q0 0, then only it changes its state. But if it is in Q1 means from Q2 it changes its state to Q1, then it reads 1, it changes its state to Q2, again it reads 1, it changes its state to Q3. So in this way you need to check, right? Therefore from Q2 you are having the transition for both the input symbols 0 and 1. Next we need to take the state Q3. Q3 means after reading a substring only it reads the state Q3, which is our final state. Once the substring has been read by the machine, is there any necessary to form again a substring? No. Substring means minimum occurrence of the string should be 1. Already we have reached the minimum occurrence value. Then we can have any number of zeros or ones at the n. Therefore, for Q3 we can use the self loop for both the input symbols 0 and 1. So, this is the transition diagram for the given language. So, next example, L is equal to set of strings of zeros and ones which has only 3 consecutive ones. So, here what is the condition given? It should have only 3 consecutive ones, which means that if 1 occurs means it should be a 3 consecutive ones. There is no condition for the occurrence of 0. Therefore, we can write L is equal to 111, 0 111, 0 111 0, 0 111 0 111, etc. So, whenever 1 comes, it should be a 3 consecutive ones. It is not necessary that it should begin with 0 or 1. Therefore, what is the minimum length string? Minimum length string is 111. Therefore, what is the length value? Length value is 3. N value 3 plus 1, 4. Therefore, we can have 4 states. So, first state is the initial state. Last state is the final state. We can make the transition. Name the states Q0, Q1, Q2, Q3. For what string we are making the transition? 111. Therefore, 1, 1, 1. Next, we need to check for the remaining input symbol. From Q0, we are having the transition for 1. So, we need to check for 0. Therefore, only for 1 it is making the transition. So, before 1 you can have any set of zeros. So, any set of zeros means you can have self loop 0. Next, after reading this one, it changes its state to Q0. In Q1, it is having the transition for the input symbol 1. So, in between these two ones, if we are having zeros, what happens? It is not possible because if 1 occurs, it should be 3 consecutive ones. Therefore, there is no transition for the state Q1. Similarly, from Q2, there is no transition for the input symbol 0 because 3 consecutive ones should occur. Before these 3 ones, you can have any number of zeros, or after these 3 ones, you can have any number of zeros. Therefore, before this 3, you can have any set of zeros, which is initial state. Once we are having 3 consecutive ones, we can reach the end state. There you can have any number of zeros. Suppose this is one case. Another case, if you take this string 0 111 0 111. So first 0 it will be in the state Q0. For first 111 it reaches the state Q3. Next it reaches the input symbol 0. Therefore it remains in the same state Q3. Next it will read the character 1 where it needs to move. So from Q3 it needs to make the transition for the input symbol 1. But it should read 3 once. At the end of 3 1 it should reach the final state. So for the first one, where it needs to go? If it goes to Q0 means this is first one. Next, second one, third one, fourth one. Only at fourth one it reaches the final state. Therefore, this transition is wrong. Therefore, we cannot make the transition from Q3 to Q0. If it goes to Q0, Q1 for the first one. So, this is the transition for first one, second one, third one. So, 3 consecutive ones reaches the final state. Therefore, for this one, from Q3, it changes the state to Q1. Okay. So, before occurrence of ones, you can have any number of zeros. Therefore, we can have self loop at Q0. After reading 3 consecutive ones, you can have any set of zeros. So, here also we have used the self loop for the input symbol 0. But once we are reading the 3 consecutive ones, again we are trying to read 3 consecutive ones, means we need to change the states from Q3 to Q1, not to Q0, because this transition occurs for the input symbol 1. Therefore, this is the first one. Only if we reach the state Q1, we can read another 2 ones. Q1 to Q2, Q2 to Q3, we will reach the final state. So, this is the transition diagram for 3 consecutive ones.